Initially, what we were trying to do was raise awareness of lots of the e-learning that's available to our employees within our organisation. However, we quite quickly identified that many of our remote learners and frontline staff actually don't have IT skills to take advantage of the e-learning that's available, both through the academy as well as our trade union learning site. So we identified that there was a huge gap actually for our frontline staff, and we thought we needed to address the issue with people without any digital literacy skills. So that's kind of where the idea has grown from, that we're aware that many of our frontline staff are actually digitally excluded. And with the council's digital inclusion strategy going forward, as well as it being digital first, so a lot of our services going online, the way we engage with our customers, both as employees and as residents ourselves, then there was a need for us to support our colleagues that don't have digital skills, and us doing it, you know, us filling that gap, if you like, by just sharing some of the knowledge that we've got with people that don't have them. So the idea of a digital champion was born, if you like. The training that we've had from Digital Communities Wales, with the way Hannah has actually delivered it, has given us a lot more confidence to be able to go out and teach, if you like, or be much more aware of a lot of the barriers for learners, especially our frontline staff, you know, the fear of it, and also about how we can, if you like, develop our own in-house, which is going to be much more specific. So things like our cleaning staff, if we can take the learning to them, and we can provide digital workshops where we can take devices along and they can have a go, or bring their own devices, and that's just setting them up maybe with emails or social media sites, or e-learning, showing how to fill forms in, uploading CVs, all sorts of things that they may like to learn, but are not able to do that on their own. So it's having a colleague or a peer-to-peer kind of relationship, so it's much more informal, if you like, and basically it's just to share our skills with our colleagues that don't have those skills, and enabling them to be more included and enjoy, if you like.
I've decided to become a digital champion within the organisation because I feel that everyone should be digitally included, and I personally would like to teach outside of my role I'm currently in, and I felt that getting these skills would help me outside of work, as well as helping all the colleagues who need that support. From day one, I've learned so many skills of how to teach, and it's definitely helped with my patience, remembering that some people haven't got the skills that I have got, or some of my other colleagues have got. So this training's helped me to recognise anything that people want to learn that I need to support with, that I could be patient and understand their needs. Yeah, I think it's completely necessary to have those digital skills. It's definitely for work. So for instance, this new thing we're having coming in is e-pay slips. Now, if someone doesn't know how to get online in the first place, they're gonna struggle to get their e-pay slips, which is really important. I feel that everyone should be able to access the intranet, any messages that the council have, any benefits that the local authority are given to their officers. So teaching them these basic, essential digital skills will be necessary, very important. Once they, you know, start to become getting online and they can do the basic skills within the organisation, if unfortunately they have to leave the organisation, then they have those skills to go out in the workforce, to put on their CV, on applications. Well, first of all, be able to apply online, you know, looking at adverts online, applying, getting the job because of the skills that they've learned, thanks to us and thanks to Digital Community Wales.